At GCPay, we understand that general contractors and owners need to manage more than just subcontractors on their projects. That's why we created our tier vendor management feature, which involves tracking sub-tier contractors, suppliers, and more to understand costs and mitigate project risks. We aim to answer questions like who's on your job site, their impact on the project, and their involvement in economic inclusion initiatives. Here are just some of the tools available to manage tier vendors. As a subcontractor, you can create payment applications and report vendor information, including work descriptions, contract values, and current period contributions. For general contractors, reviewing and assessing the subcontractor's report is the norm. Revisions are rare as subcontractors report what's owed to tier vendors before the period ends. At GCPay, we've introduced a new enhancement, allowing project-level tier vendor summaries in GCPay. You can filter vendors based on criteria and view their billing history, making revisions to past reports easier. To manage revisions and waivers, GCPay now compares original and proposed waivers to prevent overwriting valid waivers. Lastly, we offer a tier vendor information report and tier vendor warnings, helping you track subcontractor progress and flagging potential issues. With GCPay, manage more than just applications for payment and lien waivers. Manage all your subcontractor and tier vendor needs. Contact GCPay for a free demo.